No legitimate bingo app should be described as having no withdrawal limit, unless its current terms explicitly say there is no minimum or maximum cash-out requirement. For 2026, the safer way to compare these apps is by looking at their actual withdrawal rules rather than the headline. By the end, you'll know 5 bingo apps worth checking for real cash play and exactly which withdrawal details you need to verify before depositing. Bingo Cash is the first app to check. It separates withdrawable cash from bonus funds so you can see which balance is eligible for cash out. Its tournaments can use paid entry fees, and withdrawal eligibility depends on the app's current rules. Check the withdrawal screen before entering a cash tournament. Bingo Clash comes next. It uses head-to-head bingo matches and offers cash competitions for eligible players. Avia Games lists PayPal among its supported withdrawal methods, but cash game availability varies by location. If the cash option isn't available in your account, you can't assume a cash withdrawal will be available either. Blackout Bingo ranks 3rd. Instead of traditional bingo, it uses a speed-based format where numbers appear quickly, and you mark them as they are called. The app offers free gameplay as well as paid cash tournaments. Because paid tournaments require an entry fee, treat the money you put into a tournament as money you can lose. Bingo Tour takes 4th place. It's another Avia Games title with competitive bingo, power-ups, and cash tournaments. Free gameplay is available, while cash features depend on eligibility. Withdrawal processing can also take time, so don't choose this app based on the word instant. Bingo Arena rounds out the list. It offers competitive bingo formats, including one-on-one games and tournaments with real money prizes. Its current withdrawal methods and requirements should be checked inside the app before you deposit. Here's the part that matters most if you're searching for Dino withdrawal limiting. Check 3 things before playing: the minimum amount you can withdraw, whether there's a maximum withdrawal per transaction, or a time period, and whether your winnings are classified as withdrawable cash or promotional credit. Also check verification requirements. An app can allow you to win cash but still require identity verification before releasing the money. So the 5 apps worth checking are Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, Blackout Bingo, Bingo Tour, and Bingo Arena. None should be treated as guaranteed, no-limit cash-out apps unless its current terms explicitly confirm that. Your next step is to open the withdrawal section before making a deposit and read the current limits, payment methods, and verification requirements. If you want more straightforward real money app comparisons, like the video and subscribe.